Alright, what is up guys? So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I know that I am. Today I'll be putting coilovers on the S13. I'm still waiting on a few parts for the engine, so that's going to have to wait a little bit longer. A couple things are on back order. But, so I already got one coilover installed. I did that yesterday, and my jack got stuck. So I had to borrow my buddy's low pro jack. But now we can go ahead and get the other three on, and I can give you a little walk around. The coilovers are just eBay max peating rod coilovers. They're just temporary. At tax time I do plan on upgrading the BCs and doing some more suspension mods. You know, one thing at a time. Right now I got it on these wheels, and I would like it to be low. So we're gonna hop to it. Oh God! Well, ladies and gents, she is low, like real low, lowest I've probably ever had, to be honest. So I'll give a quick walk around of the car. Again, these coilovers are eBay. They're the max peating rods. They're temporary. I don't plan on keeping them on the car. I do want BC, something with a nice, nice reputation behind it. I might even get Fortunatos. I don't know yet, but do a walk around of the car real quick. All right. First off, there's my cross member. She real low. She real low. Small wheel gang. Hashtag. 15 by 8 zeros. Focus. There you have it. She's low. Now, obviously, without a kit or anything on it, it doesn't look that low in the rear bumper. But looking at that subframe, she's pretty low. I effectively made it a lot harder on myself to put an exhaust on this thing, but gotta be low. Gotta be low. Has to be. Can't run 15s without being low. So yeah, I want to get, once I get the engine and everything running, and in the car and running and everything, I'll start ordering more like aesthetically pleasing mods, like the ducktail wing that I want, and eventually this car will be painted. More than likely it's going to be repainted black. I like the black. I think it's a sharp color, and when it's clean, it's clean. The only issue is when it's dirty, you see everything. So yeah. That's it for hold on. So last night I went and did a photo shoot with one of my buddies. Me and my buddy Dalen were the photographers of my buddy's EK hatch, and I'll include what little footage I will have for that and some pictures here right now. Bit. Go forward a little bit. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you stick with me through this build. I hope you enjoy the content I'm putting out. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. I know small wheels on S chassis isn't everybody's style, but it is a popular style now. And I like old school stuff, so it fits me perfectly. I'm gonna go inside where the AC is on and get out of this heat because it is near 100 degrees today. Bye.